Cool. All right. So this is the last thing, um, which is gather in the um, school setting. You can see there's a little talk bubble right now for Miss Garlic. I'm currently playing as Carrie right now under this setting. So this just means that this person's talking right now. I just can't hear them because I'm in a private room. I'm gonna mute Miss Garlic because that way we won't get some feedback from the two computers interacting with each other. But you can see once I walk out that private room, we're close enough that we'll actually video call with each other. Once I'm in here, it stops. So it's nice because you can then have little breakout rooms for the students. Same, this is a private space, which is useful if you want to talk to students in smaller groups or individually on projects. The other nice thing as a teacher is that I've built it so, well, actually, the pre-made software or pre-setup has these classrooms, or sorry, these little tiles so that way you can easily jump from group to group. This has whiteboards that you can interact with. So what I had done on Friday is I posted some practice questions for the kids to do. So that's another thing you can have. And I put down these books so that way URLs go to various kind of resources I think they might need for that. So next week when I use this, I'm probably going to create it so that way 1 and 4 will have, say, for example, structure and bonding question. 2 and 5 will have an organic chemistry question. And then 3 and 6 will be used for redox, and kids can go into groups of what they want to work on. There's also like a classroom setting, so you can have the kids sit down while you're kind of giving instructions. And it still has the same sort of principles as a Google Meet or Zoom where you can share your screen and things like that. Just keep in mind that it is a little bit slower and delayed. So when I was playing Kahoot with my students, it was just a bit of a lag. You could also have the students use these little expressive tools to help kind of indicate to you if they understand what's going on or if they need help or they have a question, that sort of thing. The other thing I like about this classroom setting, and you can build these into your other rooms, is they have these little microphones, and there's 2 of them. And basically, when you hop onto the microphone, you are then speaking to everyone in the class, which is very, very useful if you're trying to get their attention. So that's, I think, most of what I want to say about the classroom setting. Like I said, still the same sort of thing. You move closer, you start interacting. Again, once someone moves into the private space, you lose that connection. So it's a really kind of fluid way to meet, having that little avatar and starting and stopping of videos. And I have found the students really enjoyed this because they can actually work in smaller groups and ask questions without having to talk to the whole class about it. So yeah, that is Gather.